Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create map on Google Maps. So if you want to create a custom map on Google Maps, this is how you can go about it. Now open your browser and go to maps.google.com. Once loaded, you want to click on the three horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen. Here you're going to see saved. Click on saved and click on maps. Click on create map and click on create. This will create your new maps on Google Maps. The next step is to title your map. Click on Untitle Map at the top right corner of your screen and give your map a name. Also give a description to help you or anyone understand your map. Once done, click on Saved. Once done, zoom into the area of the map and here you'll be able to select items, add markers, draw a line, add direction and measure distance. With the select item, you'll be able to use this to move around the screen and select points of your location. With the marker, you'll be able to add location points and give description about the location point. With the draw line, you'll be able to draw out your location area. You can add line or shape, add driving routes, add biking routes, or add walking routes. With the add line, you'll be able to mask out your location area. Once done, that section will be highlighted and you can title the area. Once done giving it a name and a description, click on save and your location will automatically be updated to Google Drive. You also see the map distance. You'll be able to change the style, edit, add images and delete the place. With the measure distance, you'll be able to measure the distance of one place to another. Once you're done with all your changes, you can share your new created map when you click on share and toggle on anyone with this link can view. A unique link will be generated for that map that you can share. Click here to copy the link and the link will be copied to your dashboard. If you wish to preview your map, click on preview and the preview section of your map will be generated. So thank you for watching this video on how to create a map on Google Maps, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.